Data science stands of a pivotal and rapidly evolving field and the intersection of the statistics, computer science, and domain-specific knowledge fundamentally altering how we perceive and interact with information in the 21st century. It is an intricate discipline dedicated to extracting meaningful insight and knowledge from vast, often complex and diverse datasets. At its heart, data science is about asking the right question, then applying rigorous scientific methods, cutting edge and sophisticated system to answer this question by uncovering patterns and making prediction. This process begins long before making any analysis, often with the identification of a business problem or a research question that might help solve. The journey of a data scientist typically starts with data acquisition, which involves collecting raw data from various sources. This source can be incredibly varied ranging from customer attraction and social media feeds to sensor readings, medical records, and scientific experiments. One acquired data is rarely in a pristine state, if often contains error, missing value, and inconsistency, necessitating a crucial step known as data cleaning, or this process is laborious yet indispensable as garbage in, garbage out perfectly data. Quality data scientists spend significant portion of their time preparing data, transforming into usable format that can effectively process and analysis. This might involve handling outliers, imparting missing data, or standardizing format across different datasets. Missing value and inconsistency, necessitating a crucial step known as data cleaning, or this process is laborious yet indispensable as garbage in, garbage out perfectly in case. And following preparation, the next stage involves an exploratory data analysis, and their data scientists is statistical graphics and other data visualization methods to summarize their data's main characteristic, and with the visual methods helps in the understanding data's structure and identifying patterns, anomalies, testing hypotheses, and checking assumption with the help of summary statistics and graphical representation. This phase is critical for gaining an intuitive understanding of the dataset before applying more complex modeling techniques, and allows data science to formulate informed hypotheses and decide on analytical approach.